In this video, we will compare DoorLoop versus TurboTenant. Which is the best property management software? DoorLoop. DoorLoop is a comprehensive property management software designed to streamline real estate management for landlords and property managers. It offers robust features such as online rent collection, automated reminders, maintenance request, tenant communication tools. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for landlords to manage multiple properties without having a steep learning curve. Additionally, DoorLoop allows integration with popular accounting softwares such as QuickBooks and more, making it financial management so much more efficient. The mobile app provides convenience for managing properties on the go, and DoorLoop also offers extensive customer support, even with live chat options. While DoorLoop offers powerful features, some users may find the pricing slightly higher compared to similar property management platforms. Additionally, certain advanced features, such as automated leasing, may require additional customization or even a higher tier plan, which can increase the overall cost. The software can somewhat feel overwhelming for many new landlords or those with smaller property portfolios due to its comprehensive toolset. Some users have reported occasional bugs or slow response times from the software, particularly when managing a large number of rental properties or even tenants. TurboTenant. TurboTenant is known for being affordable and intuitive property management solution, particularly appealing to independent landlords with smaller portfolios. One of its key benefits is the platform is free for landlords to use for the basic features such as listing properties, tenant screening and collecting rent payments. It also provides customizable rent applications which can help streamline the tenant's onboarding process. TurboTenant integrates with major listing sites such as Zillow and ensures maximum exposure for your property listing. The mobile app is straightforward and allows landlords to manage their property remotely, making it a convenient option for those with a busy schedule. Despite its affordability, TurboTenant lacks some advanced features that large property managers or those with multiple different properties may need. Features such as accounting software, maintenance tracking, and detailed reports are limited unless you opt for the paid version. Additionally, TurboTenant's customer support, while responsive, is not the most robust, and some more premium property management platforms will be better to use. For landlords who require the full suite of management tools under one platform, TurboTenant may fall short in comparison. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.